Hello everyone, this is host MJ, owner of Reina Vihera Events Co. So ngayon, nandito na naman tayo sa isang event which is the 18th birthday celebration here at Mexico, Pampanga. Ayan. So syempre kasama ko na naman napakasipag kong coordinator. Ayan, Sir Nel. Ayan. So ngayon, nandito kami sa likod kasi I'm about to, of course, change clothes. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-pants kasi ang biyahe namin, ang sipag na aking coordinator, Sir Nel, na nag-drive siya ng 2 hours from Novaliches, yung layo nito, to be honest. But syempre, nag-charge lang tayo na super affordable rate kasi syempre, kailangan naman muna natin ipakita ang quality at kung gusto nila mabigay ng tip, nasa sa kanila yun. Kaya ngayon, we'll see if we're gonna get tips for this event. But anyway, let's go to the video. Birthday. So again, we are about to begin Hermaya's 18th birthday celebration.
Maraming salamat po sa Panginoon at nawa po tayong lahat ay magsaya sa karawan ng Bayan Nicole.
Daddy, Nicole, bago po tayo umalis po dito sa phone,
pinaka-wish ko para sa'yo ay lagi kang healthy at masaya. Mahal na mahal kita, siyempre.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Yay! Tapos walking na nakahag. Ayan, para mas close yung ating. Louder and happier with energy. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Ayun. 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Ayun. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Yay! Thank you. 3, go!
Happy birthday, Maya!
Yay! In-house coordinator, Sir Nel, ng Reina Vihera Events Company. Yan. Of course, for our photo video, LGT Zone Uno Focus. Salamat, of course. Kasama ni Sabi ni Daddy, ni Sia, and of course, our celebrant for staying throughout the head of this event. Yan. So, despite of the adjustment na nangyari, naririto kayo upang samahan si Maya. Of course, maraming successful ang kanyang event. Kaya naman, umihin natin sa malakas na palakpakan. Happy birthday na! Happy birthday! Mag-ingat po tayo po. God bless you, everyone. Thank you. Hello! Ayan, so tapos na naman tayo ng event. Nakapagpalit na rin ako ng damit. Yan, kita nyo, hawak ko na ang ating po ulit na dress kanina. So, what happened is, let us tell you the story. So, of course, we can never tell kung ano yung magiging weather natin in an event. But, what will be matter is kung ano ang inyong magiging solusyon sa problema na kakaharapin nyo on the event. So one tip na naranasan ko here sa Exico, Pampanga is nung gabi, when we are about to resume our program after the dinner, is biglang umulan. So of course, the area, kung nakita nyo kanina, it's actually open area, walang tent, and of course, pwedeng mabasa ang ating mga guests and of course our celebrant. However, yeah, we come up to the solution na i-resume na lamang ang program sa loob na kanilang bahay despite na hindi natin nailipat ang lahat ng mga designs, yung backdrop niya or so on and so forth. We are able, of course, to set up a little thing na magre-represent ng kanyang birthday. So, kung nakita nyo kanina sa video, we have to move. But what matters is, syempre, kung ano yung magiging move nyo sa unexpected problem. But anyway, that's another tip from me, Host MJ Bautista, and bye!